Hey guys, this is Huzaifa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Recently, Mr. Beast ignored the $1 billion offer for his YouTube channel. He said that he need more than 10 or $20 billion, then only he would be considering it. Now, what do you think about this? How to become a billionaire? How to earn money? Right, there are a lot of stuff happening. I was recently watching the videos of my man Ty Lopez. I consider him as a mentor. Are you having some kind of mentor in your life? If yes, then mention down in the comments what is your mentor? Who is your mentor? Mentor is very much essential, right? It is as good as compared to going to college or school, just like having a mentor who is superior to you, who is very much superior, not like this level, but this time level, 10 times more powerful in whatever area you want to be successful. Whether it is a business, whether it is an YouTuber, influencer, who is your mentor? Who you want to be mirroring of him or her? Who is that person that is to be your mentor? So I consider Ty Lopez as my mentor. And if you ask me, Ty Lopez is a scam, no, he's not a scam. Why? Because he is mentioning the things and he is doing the things and he's talking about them. For example, if I am doing some kind of task like meditation, visualization, learning something, then I will discuss with you what I am doing currently. So same is the case with Ty. Ties into billionaire business, millionaire minutes, earning money. So he's always saying what he's getting to, what he's experiencing, what he's learning. So he's not a scam. Moreover, his profile is mentioned in the Forbes magazine, in the Forbes list. You can go into Forbes site and you can just type that name Ty Lopez and you will find that he's not a scam. He's a real person. And I don't know much about his sports because I have never gone under his sports, but I know that it will definitely help you to learn, become your greatest version, right? And he more emphasizes onto book learning, right? How you can gain knowledge from books. And if you see, most of the successful people in this universe have learned from books. They are the good readers. Only good readers are good leaders. I repeat, only good readers are good leaders. So are you a bibliophile like me? I used to collect the number of books. I used to have a lot of books, though I have not read almost all the books, but I have just published or I have just established my mini library in my home. I am having library by getting inspired from these people, right? And I am making lifelong learning each and every day. We must consider ourselves as a lifelong learner only. No one is complete, no one is perfect, no one is expertise, but we need to learn each and every day. And if you make this motto in your life to be a lifelong learner, then you can be successful in whatever task or whatever mission or whatever vision or whatever dream you are chasing to, right? So this is the thing which helped me inspire that Mr. Beast just gave a $1 billion offer for his YouTube channel. And when someone calculated the overall thing and he just tried to manipulate the thing and he came to the conclusion that yes, Mr. Beast was right. At least 10 or $20 billion is required if his YouTube channel must be sold to someone. So that's the power of creation. So are you a creator? Are you a producer? Are you creating something awesome in your life? If not, then start creating. Be a creator, be a producer, create something amazing, and then you will be known for it. You will build the legacy behind it. People will know you. Okay, that this is the person that is building build that this thing. That's in that way you can become a billionaire, you can become a millionaire. Right. Recently I had also watched the talk of Ty Lopez regarding how you can become a billionaire. Now this guy is also already the social media influencer, right? So he has already created the content and he has already made the point, made the personality, made the effect all over the world. Now what he's trying to say that if you are helping some company, some Instagram page, some media or some company to enhance their social media expertise. For example, if you take a newspaper agency or something, and now he's having some kind of X follower on Instagram, and you just follow, you just look at the page, and now he's not knowing how to grow his social media. So you can help them by just providing your expertise, your skills to enhance his social media experience, to gain his followers, subscribers, and that way you can demand the money out of it. And that way you are building your potential customer. So if you are making 30 of the customers and if you are charging them $83,000, then you can become a millionaire and billionaire. So that is the real thing, right? Because right now a lot of people are using social media, a lot of people are just sharing their knowledge, sharing their stuff, building their legacy, right? And so someone wants his social media to improve, to get that reach, to get that follower. So they are demanding, the demand is there, and you need to supply your content, supply your stuff, how you can improve their social media, whether it's the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, how you can make an impact on them. And in that way, by using this, you can charge them, you can ask for the charge. And if you build a 30 potential customers and you charge specific uh, charge to them by seeing in the market what is the rate going on, or analyzing all the other stuff, you can become a millionaire and billionaire. So that was a gist which I already told, and I am really great that I understand this stuff. And I think it has a major impact on each and every one person life, right? Because right now a lot of things are happening on social media. YouTube shorts are there, TikTok are there, TikTok is there. Like you can easily, sorry, you can easily make an impact of yours. Okay, so now is the time. Okay, so I hope this helps to a new insights about money, how you can just leverage your skills, how you can just leverage your learning to become your greatest person and to create the billion and the millionaire money. So I hope you are enjoying this content. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.